guys, now I'm shapeshifter. And I'm a phantom, so I can go invisible. Let's go invisible. Ah! Now let's just go here. So guys, we arrived here. Maybe you guys cannot see me because I'm invisible. Wait, let me turn off this thing. Yeah. You can see I'm in the kitchen, the safest room. But there are many bends. Like, look at that one. Like this one. Oh, it's my friend, the imposter shapeshifter. Can you shapeshift into me? Look. See, I'm a shapeshifter. Oh no, my shapeshifter is gone. Oh my gosh. Let's go invisible. Sure. Let's go here. In the nearest place. The dishes. This is not